love summer.
Yeah, man, except for Minty up there.
Except for Minty, what's wrong?
I think she's experiencing the joys of a summertime romance.
Can't seem to get my mind off of you. That day at home with nothing to do. I see I was wrong, and I'm not so strong. I should have known all along that time would tell. A week without you, thought I'd forget. 2 weeks without you, and I still haven't got over you yet. Vacation, all I ever wanted. Vacation, had to get away. Vacation, meant to be spent alone. A week without you, thought I'd forget. 2 weeks without you, and I still haven't got over you yet. Vacation, all I ever wanted. Vacation, had to get away. Vacation, meant to be spent alone.
Gee, Looney Bird, summer's a real special time, isn't it?
Oh, sure is. I need a fresh supply of worms.
Worms?
Christmas time.
Oh, no, Looney, not like that. I mean, summer is a special time for feelings. Like, well, for me, summer means freedom from care.
Freedom? I don't understand.
Well, you see, Looney Bird, when I was little, my daddy used to take me sailing. We'd take our boat and put it out on the lake and put up a big white sail and just let the wind carry us all over the lake. It made me feel free as a bird.
No, you mean free as a bear. I can feel free as a bird.
Right, Looney. Free as a bear. Oh, that's exactly how I felt.
Oh, sounds beautiful, Billy Bob. Can you take me there?
I can try. Just close your eyes and use your imagination.
I was looking all over the place. Oh, yeah.
Well, it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me. It's not hard to never, never land. No reason to pretend. And if the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me. Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it come. Just a dream in the wind to carry me, and soon I will be free. Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it would be. Just a dream in the wind to carry me, and soon I will be free.
Oh, that's beautiful, Billy.
Yeah, real nice.
Oh, thanks. Sailing is my most favorite summertime fun.